Hi guys, a quality dashcam can save you a lot, and I don't just mean money. Dashcams make it so much easier to process an insurance claim. They help you avoid the stress of proving who did what in an accident. And if you're a fleet manager or rideshare driver, they're all you need for all-round vehicle monitoring.
In general, some of the best Chinese dashcam brands on AliExpress include Vantrue, AzDome, and Xiaomi.
These brands offer a range of dashcams with features such as high-resolution video recording, GPS tracking, and night vision. In this review, I'll cover the best Chinese dashcams on AliExpress, so you know what to get if you're going the AliExpress route. So, let's get started. Number 10, V50 Wi-Fi Dashcam for Car DVR Camera 4K. This dashcam is here with the 50% price off. Now you can get it at around $57. 1. Smart voice interaction. Recording becomes more simple. The speedy processor detects any abnormalities of the machine will alert the driver immediately by voice announcement. 2. 38402160p 4K UHD, 8 million megapixels high resolute definition. Imagine the physical video frames with the clearer details. Even the micrography also can be shown at long distance range. 3. 24-hour parking monitoring. Turning on the parking monitor mode after the choke-off keeps monitoring the vehicle status continuously. It records the monitoring video automatically after detecting the crash, auto outage in case of low voltage, to prevent from under voltage of the accumulator. The next is 4. The camera can rotate 360 degrees. The next is Number 9, 10.26-inch 4K dashcam 8S wireless CarPlay. This dashcam is here with the 35% price off. Now you can get it at around $93. Equipped with powerful 4-cores chip. This is a top class 4-core chip, 14 nanometers, 2T computing power. It can start up quickly in 3 seconds under the video recording of the 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera. The whole operating system is very smooth without delay. The boot speed of other models with the same configuration on the market is more than 10 seconds, because they use a single core chip. With dual lens, front camera 4K 2160p plus rear camera 1080p. 10.26-inch IPS touchscreen, 135-degree wide angle up to 8 million pixels, to achieve true 38402160p 4K UHD resolution, which can help us capture license plates, road signs, and other critical details on the road. Adopt upgraded H.265 video code. Compared with H.264 video code, H.265 has better image. The next is Number 8, 2 Black Box 10-inch driving recorder rear view. This dashcam is here with the 69% price off. Now you can get it at around $32. Features of this dashcam are the front and rear dual recording, equipped with a 170-degree wide-angle camera and an advanced FHD 1080p resolution sensor, can capture all your driving processes with clear clarity regardless of day or night. Built-in G-sensor detection. When suddenly moving collision, the current video will be automatically locked to prevent being overwritten, so that it is convenient to truly restore the scene of the accident. 24H monitoring. When the motion detection is turned on, when there is a moving object in a certain range in front of the lens, the video will be automatically turned on to guard your car all day long. Intelligent parking monitoring, time-lapse video recording, power saving, and product memory saving. Loop recording. When the memory card is full, the loop will overwrite the oldest image with the newest image, but will skip the emergency locked video. The next is Number 7, Sameuo T400T200 Dashcam for MP Car DVR. This dashcam is here with the 48% price off. Now you can get it at around $38. Sameuo T400 Dash Camera. Tiny in size. Great in protection. For MP QHD, 360 degrees coverage. 24/7 protection. For MP QHD. 360 degrees coverage, rotatable lens, voice control. Loop recording. Emergency mode. Built-in Wi-Fi. 131 degrees wide FOV. f1.4 appenditure. The next is Number 6, K64K Dashcam Android Auto CarPlay 7-inch. This dashcam is here with the 40% price off. Now you can get it at around $83. Front 4K 2160p plus rear 1080p record, 7-inch ultra-wide-angle full-view touchscreen, capturing license plates, road signs, and other critical details on the road. Very clear and smooth images display is like a stream flowing on the excellent WDR and auto-adjusting brightness streaming mirror.
Supports simultaneous 1:1 display of front and rear cameras.
90 degrees foldable screen design. When not in use, it can be folded, more beautiful. Safer and more stable installation way, keep your car in original style. Wired and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto plus mirror link. DDPai K6 supports wired and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, which can adapt to more mobile phone models, enabling you to use the functions of your mobile phone intelligently and safely when driving the vehicle. Also support AirPlay Android wireless mirror. The next is number 5, Sameuo U2000 Dashcam. This dashcam is here with the 38% price off. Now you can get it at around $35. The Sameuo U2000 strips down to the basics for a truly pocket-friendly dashcam. You don't get the 4K footage, GPS functionality, infrared cameras, a touchscreen display, or motion detection you'd get with the other more premium dashcams on this ranking. What you do get is an excellent dashcam that does the ultimate basics of recording clear and crisp video footage. And for the best part, it cost only $39 when writing this. $39 gets you full HD video footage shot by an impressive f1.6 camera. It is crystal clear and full of detail in bright sunlight, and while there's a noticeable drop in quality at nighttime, this thing still produces excellent low-light footage with its f1.6 camera. Add that to its integrated display, collision sensing function, wireless connectivity and support for an optional rear camera, and you get why this is an awesome deal of a dashcam. Build quality is surprisingly good. It certainly surpasses expectations for a $39 dashcam, and because this thing cuts down on the extras, it's incredibly compact as well, with a design that allows it to fit snugly just under your headliner away from view. The next is number 4, AZDOME A800S 4K Dashcam. This dashcam is here with the 45% price off. Now you can get it at around $113. The AZDOME A800S is one of Aliexpress's best-selling dashcams, and it's easy to see why. While it doesn't match the quality or spec sheet of the Vantrue N4 pound for pound, it covers all the basics at a decent price point. You get 4K footage at 30 frames per second, GPS support, an integrated display, 24-hour surveillance, wireless connectivity, and all the works. Footage quality is excellent during the day but kinda blurry at night. It's an f1.8 camera setup, so not quite as good as the N4 but still very much capable. There's no dedicated infrared camera, and while you do have support for rear and interior views, you can't have both with the default front view. This means you can either have front and rear view or front and interior view but not full-on 360 view like you would on the Vantrue N4. Also, note that like the Vantrue N4, and unlike the DDPai Mini, the camera setups for the rear and interior views are sold separately. The next is number 3, DDPai Dashcam Mola N3 1600 PhD. This dashcam is here with the 54% price off. Now you can get it at around $45. For the features it packs, the DDPai Mini is arguably the most compact and portable dashcam you can get on AliExpress. That portability comes at a cost, though. This doesn't ship with an integrated display, you'll have to control it with your mobile phone. But the discreet design is something that might interest some, and it certainly interests me. Having a dashcam that sits pretty without being noticed has its perks. It leaves your windshield and headliner less cluttered, and since it's out of view, it's less likely to be stolen or tampered with in the event of an accident. Integrated display aside, the Mini 5 ships with all the other customary dashcam tech you'd expect at this price point. You get wireless connectivity to your smartphone, GPS, collision sensing and, interestingly, an inbuilt 64GB storage system, which means you don't need an SD card to use this dashcam. The next is number 2, AsDOME M550 Car DVR 3-channel camera. This dashcam is here with the 25% price off. Now you can get it at around $131. The ASDOME M550 may fall slightly behind the Vantrue N4 when it comes to raw specifications, but when you consider the starting price of $120 and all that's included in the package, it checks out to be one of the best dashcam deals on AliExpress. Out of the box, the M550 comes with a full 360-view camera package. So you get an interior camera and a rear-view camera in addition to the main front-facing camera.
Footage quality is excellent.
You get the same 4K video at 30 frames per second from the main camera as you would on the Vantrue. And although the camera here has a smaller aperture, the footage is still bright and clear enough even in low light conditions. There's no true infrared night vision, though, but that's understandable given the price of this dashcam.
The next is
Number 1, Vantrue N4 Dashcam 4K Card Video Recorder 3-in-1. This dashcam is here with the 20% price off.
Now you can get it at around $207. All things considered, the Vantrue N4 is the best dashcam you can get on AliExpress right now. With its 4K ready camera, this dashcam records incredibly sharp and detailed footage at 30 frames per second.
But its 4K setup is not why the Vantrue tops this list of the best AliExpress dashcams available today. Virtually all the cameras in this ranking ship with a 4K camera. Where the Vantrue N4 shines through is in the build quality and feature list department. Nothing comes close at this price point. The N4 is one of the very few dashcams to ship with an f1.4 aperture. If you're new to this, the aperture size tells you how wide the camera lens is, with smaller numbers indicating a wider lens, so the smaller the number, the better. More light going in allows this dashcam to shoot incredibly clear photos both in daylight and at night.